Remains of two new large species of predatory dinosaur have been discovered on a beach on the Isle of Wight. They are believed to be close relative of the giant Spinosaurus and were initially found by amateur fossil hunters. The snout and braincase would have sat in the crocodile-like skull of a carnivorous dinosaur. The bones are part of a haul of around 50 bones discovered on the Isle of Wight, which paleontologists at the University of Southampton say belong to two new species of Spinosaurid, a group of dinosaurs closely related to the giant Spinosaurus. It's thought the carnivorous dinosaurs would have been around 9 meters in length with 1 meter long skulls. Amateur fossil hunters uncovered the initial bones, parts of two skulls, on a beach near Brighstone on the Isle of Wight. The rest were found over a period of several years afterwards.
It's really exciting. We had on the same beach, now we don't know exactly where one of them came from, but on the same beach we had two Spinosaur skulls come out of the ground. Skulls and brain cases aren't very well known and aren't very well described in Spinosaurids, so finding two was really exciting. The question then comes, what species are they? Are they something we know about, or are they something new?
The only Spinosaurid skeleton previously unearthed in the UK belonged to the species Baryonyx. However, analysis of the new bones by the University of Southampton and published in scientific reports suggested that these belong to new species, previously unknown to science and even different to one another.
My PhD student Chris spent a huge amount of time going through, analysing, picking out the characters, looking for similarities, looking for differences, and they're not baryonyx. But the really exciting thing is they're not actually the same thing as each other. So we've found on a beach, and the span of time between the top of the section and the bottom is 4 million years, give or take. So it's not like they were necessarily on the same beach at the same time. But they are different species from one another.
Scientists believe the dinosaurs' unusual looking crocodile-like skulls would have helped them hunt on both land and in water and expand their diets. They have come up with names to match their striking appearance and personalities too.
So we've got two new species that aren't the same as each other and they're not baryonyx, and we've given them these names. The first one is Ceratoseucops infrarodeus, and that means the horned crocodile-faced hell heron, because we think that the ecology would have been similar to a heron, wading and catching fish. And the other one we've called Riparaveneta milneri, and Riparaveneta means a riverbank hunter, and milneri is in honour of Angela Milner, who did so much Spinosaur work in the 1980s and 90s and who sadly passed away a few weeks ago.
The collection of bones is to go on display at the Dinosaur Isle Museum in Sandown.